Hello everyone, how is it going? It's nobelsushank here and welcome to this tutorial series on how to build a vendor inventory system on Laravel 6. So guys, in the previous tutorial we have created the data table for our product where we have got the two tabs. One tab shows the active product and the trash tab shows the product that we have deleted. But here you can see the data table headers and the footers are incorrect. So here at first let's correct our header and the footer for this table. So for that here let's go to our product file. Let's write here some script to correct it. Okay, so this tab will adjust our column field here. So let's refresh the page again and then let's go to our trash. What's wrong? I've done here. $document.ready function. Okay, here I've forgotten this. Okay, now let's refresh the page here. And on trash field you can see the table has been corrected. So now let's go to our edit field. For that here I'll be copying all the data from this create field to the update. So here create will be edit. This will also be edit. This okay, then here let's write the value dollar data equals to here. So let's copy this. Let's copy it and here it will be code. You can say I have written here purchase dash underscore price and stock dash underscore table. It's because my database name are these. So similarly here also. Okay, so our active status is 1, then it will show active. Otherwise, if it is 0, then it will show inactive. So let's save it and then let's go to our controller. Here inside the product controller, let's copy all the data from the store part and then let's paste it on here. So let's remove this validator, no need it here. Then after this part, where it is. Okay, it looks perfect. So again we have to write the inside the edit function. For that, let's go to our controller here. Let's copy this data here. I don't need to import the vendor, so let's cancel it. Let's write it product. Then after it will be direct to the PRB static product.update page. So if my active is not equals to 2, then I'm not editing it. So let's save it. Then after let's refresh the page. Then let's try to edit this. Here on edit function you can see all the data has come. Let's change this to inactive and let's change this to stock to 5. So let's submit it. You can see product created successfully. The status has been changed to inactive. Let's edit this. You can see stock has been changed to 5. Status inactive. Everything looks fine. So now then after let's go to our view function here. So for that again simply in the show function I'll be again copying this data. I need to import this, so changing this vendor to product. Changing this vendor view to PRB city product. Copying all this update data from here and then pasting it to the view field. No need delete this thing. Let's remove this, update to view. Let's remove this footer from here. Okay, so it has been edited here. Let's change it to view. In our update field, let's change this edit to edit. Let's save it again here in view. Let's change this edit to view. I don't think this will work. So okay, again let's refresh the page and let's try to view our data. So you can see the data has combed here accordingly, and our submit button has also got removed. So now here also again let's write here disable at the bottom, so that it will be so that our field will not be the writable. For that I have been writing here disabled. Let's save it. Let's refresh the page. You can see now we cannot change any field here. So now our view edit delete has been finished. So purchase detail and activate product field has been remained. So let's work on this. Okay, so now let's work to activate the product that we have deleted already. So for that let's go to our product controller here and let's create a new function and name it as authorize public function. Authorize will only be okay, I think. Authorize So let's copy it from here. Let's change this data user modify to paste it here. Okay, then now here let's go to our index phase and let's write some script here. Function for on the trash, let's copy it. Let's copy this, let's paste it here. Confirm. So confirm, are you sure you want to activate this data? Yes, type will be post. URL is okay. Data token CSRA. Okay, I think this look okay. Let's try it. So again, let's refresh the page. Here in trash field, let's try to activate the product. Are you sure you want to activate this data? Okay. Okay, so what I have missed here, wait. Let's check in the console what it has shown. Okay, actually here I think I haven't written any route for it. So let's write the route here. Okay, PRODUCT product under thresh slash ID master product controller at the rate under thresh name product under thresh ID. Okay, now it should be working correctly. So let's refresh the page. Here inside the trash activate product. Okay. Okay, let me check once what I have done mistake here, then I'll show you. Actually, the error was due to the path here. You can see here I have defined the for under trash path master slash product under trash slash ID, but in an route here is not master. So let's remove this master from on the trash path, and then let's refresh the page. Inside the trash field, let's activate the product. Okay, and you can see product has been activated successfully. In active field, the data has arrived, but inside the trash field, it has been deleted. So here you can see we'll also be able to view this data. Here the stock is 10, selling price is 10.20. So again let's edit this. So again let's reduce this stuff to 2 and let's submit the data. Okay, then after viewing you can see the step has been changed to 2. So again let's okay, the delete function is also working properly, and then the activate function is also working properly. So okay, now the only thing left here is the purchase detail, and here you can see the purchase detail is empty because we haven't done anything here, and we'll be working on this purchase detail after doing some work on the purchase part. So in this next tutorial we'll be creating a new function where we'll be able to purchase the product. Okay, so this much for today. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe it and don't forget to like this video. Thank you.
If you haven't subscribed on my channel, then subscribe and click on bell icon so that you will be the first one to get the notification of my new video.